When did pushing yourself to the limit become a daily routine? It's not hustle, it's burnout. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us in this fast-paced 24/7 world, burnout. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, exhausted, or just plain done, this video is for you. Let's explore the signs that it might be time to hit pause. If you're new here, we're glad you found us. First, let's talk about what burnout really is. It's more than just feeling tired after a long day. It's a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged stress. In a world that never sleeps, it's easy to push ourselves to the limit, but recognizing the signs early can make all the difference. Here are some signs that you might be experiencing burnout and need to take a step back. 1. Constant fatigue. If you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep, it's a red flag. Your body is telling you it needs a break. 2. Irritability. Are you snapping at loved ones or feeling on edge? This can be a sign that your mental reserves are running low. 3. Loss of motivation. When tasks that once excited you now feel like a chore, it's time to reassess your workload and priorities. 4. Difficulty concentrating. If you find it hard to focus or make decisions, your brain might be overloaded. Give yourself permission to slow down. 5. Physical symptoms. Headaches, stomach issues, or unexplained aches can all be signs of burnout. Listen to your body. It knows best. Now that we've identified the signs, let's talk about why taking a break is crucial. In our hustle culture, we often equate busyness with productivity. But the truth is, stepping back can lead to greater creativity and efficiency. Think of it as recharging your phone. You can't expect it to function well when the battery is low. Here are some practical tips to help you combat burnout. 1. Set boundaries. Learn to say no. Protect your time and energy by setting clear boundaries between work and personal life. 2. Schedule downtime. Just like you schedule meetings, schedule time for yourself. Whether it's reading, meditating, or simply doing nothing, make it a priority. 3. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors. Nature has a way of grounding us and reminding us to slow down. 4. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing into your daily routine. It can help clear your mind and reduce stress. 5. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or professionals. Talking about your feelings can be incredibly therapeutic. Remember, it's okay to take a break. In fact, it's necessary for your well-being. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. By recognizing the signs of burnout and taking proactive steps, you can navigate this 24/7 world with more balance and joy. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more real talk on mental health. How do you manage burnout? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.